Hi, are you planning to invite your spouse or common law partner to Canada? So, here are a few steps that I'm going to share with you. This is Kohinoor Devroy. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. So, the first thing is start by confirming if you are eligible to sponsor. So, that's a very important step. So, in order to do this, you must meet some of the key criteria. So, the first being you have to be a Canadian resident, a Canadian citizen, or a permanent resident. You have to be at least 18 years of age. You have to reside in Canada, or you plan to return to Canada from abroad if you're a citizen. You should not be in prison, bankrupt, under any removal order, or charged with a serious offense. And then you should not have sponsored a spouse within the last 5 years. Secondly, choose the right sponsorship stream. This is very important. Now, there are two main options depending on your partner's location. So the first option we have is the inland sponsorship. So your partner, in this case, your partner is already in Canada. They may be eligible for an open work permit while the application is being processed. The second option we have is the outland sponsorship option. So in this case, your partner is outside of Canada. This route is generally faster or may not, depends based on my experience, though they cannot work in Canada until the permanent residence is approved. Then the final thing you should be making note of is before submitting your application, you need to finalize your application carefully. So that means completing all forms, ensure all forms are complete, accurate, very important, and properly signed. If you have documents which are not in other language, precisely not in English or French, then have them translated by a certified translator. Pay all the applicable application fees. This includes your sponsorship fee, your principal applicant processing fee, and your right of permanent residence fee. If you have more questions, reach out to me. For till then,